All right, so I know it's been a few weeks since the last long form upload, but what was supposed to be a quick little coilover install turned into like a 3-day process because every other bolt on this car just wanted to become a problem.
How would you get out of there? Nah, that one doesn't come out, does it?
Yeah, the passenger front got stripped.
Cut it off.
Yeah, cut this piece off.
Why can't we get it off regular? What's going on?
That shit tight. We did have to take this off anyways, didn't we?
Yeah.
No, yeah, we did.
Yep.
That's better than putting the rotors and the brakes back.
Yeah.
I don't know what all they skipped out. That's the only part I'm kind of like frustrated with. He was like, I mean, not downplaying nobody, but he's like, bro, you made this shit seem easy. I'm like, it's really just getting to it, and then it will just fall out in your hand. So, I don't know. I'm old school. I was using like my manual tools. They were using power tools. Carter pins, I was bending them.
Oh, no more Carter pins on the other side. Yeah, we gotta get some new Carter pins probably. That'd be. Yeah.
Like you said,
Yeah, it's just that first one. Literally, it's like on the backside.
This one.
Oh,
yeah, it's like it's literally the first one though. That's the craziest part. Like if you get it past that, it'd be good. But
What happened with the bolt was that they didn't relieve all the tension on the whole suspension. So since they didn't relieve the tension, they basically try to force the bolt into the mount. And what happens is the first threads on the bolt are what go in first. So that's what got fucked up first. So you have to, you know what you were saying earlier, you got to relieve the tension on it. That way everything goes together smoothly.
we gotta show what happened. That was crazy, bro. I'm telling you.
I should be sponsored by Milwaukee.
I'm trying to.
Here we go, round 2.
Ooga, ooga, ooga. God, that's some swings right there for your ass. Ooga, booga.
I got this big ass rubber mallet I use for shit like this. That way, like if you got a beat on bolts, yeah.
But honestly, I'm not like mad at it because, you know, I feel like that's like part of the process, you know what I mean? And I don't want to fake the journey and make it look like everything just magically comes together overnight. Well, once again, we're back. My boy's on job shifts helping me out right now. Almost got the front end though. Gotta get the rear end today. Hopefully. Ah man, got me scared of doing the back.
You might want to wait another day. No, we can do it.
That's the right spot. I didn't line it up or nothing. I just kind of. Yeah, the jack stand, I was just guessing. Nervous. Nervous, man. Moment of truth. Alright. So fast. Damn, yeah, it is a little lower.
Oh, yeah, definitely gonna be that. It looks nice too.
Mm-hmm. And that's not even adjusting it or nothing yet.
Yeah, it's even.
But ooh, look, you can just see in the front. Yeah, look a little. Okay. Ooh, that's crazy. Dang, yeah, it's a lot lower. And that's just stock height too. That's crazy. Well, not even stock, but just how it came.
It's gonna be jack height.
Ooh, I need some spacers now. Immediately. Yeah, it looks nice, bro. I like that. Yeah. Appreciate it, man. What's your little slushy, man?
Hey, man. I didn't really do nothing. Y'all did all the work.
Chill.
I really like that, man. I can't wait to get it.
The engine cover?
Nah, it's fuck.
Oh, the Mishimoto, the radio.
Yeah, man.
I'm like, what the hell? Really? Mm-hmm.
I got me trying to grind some shit down. Like, what the fuck?
Yeah, we ain't gotta do all that.
We ain't gotta do all that.
So we're just replacing the rear coilovers right now.
Confused. I found some answers. So.
Then the rear started fighting us too, so the car was literally stuck in the air for days while we figured everything out. He said from his observation.
This bolt is good, and these threads are good on this caliper.
Okay.
Well, on this part, this hole, this bracket hole, look. It goes in all the way. Pretty much effortlessly. But then, when you try it on the bottom hole, you can start it, but after like a few turns,
Yeah, that's.
it starts to get hard. So see, you can't.
That's pretty much what they were describing last night. Moment of truth, man.
Verified too.
He verified? Okay.
Yeah, like so that's the handle you use to like turn the tap into the hole. Easier to fucking do than the other one.
The other one? Okay.
Yeah.
So he's like, I've done this one before.
Yeah, it's just because you get, like I said, the first couple threads are good, so that'll guide us.
Yeah.
You know, if the first couple threads are fucked up, then that'd be like, damn. Bro.
Yeah. If we can solve that, then that means all we got to do is get the new bolts. When he pulls up, he just adjusts the preload, put everything back together, do the other side.
And that's it.
Yeah, his job's easy. You know what I mean? We're basically making his job a little easier for him. See if we got some oil, fellas. Hopefully this works.
Well, like, look at
Yeah, it's
this.
crooked. Damn.
Oh, shit.
It's not going in straight, so I don't think you can chase it.
Supposedly doing this job, but look.
It's cutting it crooked?
Yeah.
LZ, cut up. Intermission real quick. Quick update. Had to stop and get some food. Got the Z1 finally. Got my hair cut. Back on the road. Hopefully we get both of the rear done today. Wait for Nando coming to help me. Let's pray, man. Been a little rough. I had to buy the rear caliper because the bracket fucked up, but it's all good. Pulling up, man. That boy trying to hide, man. Appreciate the man for the ride. Yes, sir, my boy. He always has some fire. Look at the twin 370s out today. That shit look crazy. Yeah, right? Huh? No camber? Oh, yeah, right?
So did you find another caliper?
Yeah, I just got the OEM one. We really just needed the bracket, but
You're welcome.
thank you so much. All right, have a good day. Yeah. All right, boom. Just leaving Z1. These look like the right ones. OEM rear caliper bolt. Yeah, and it looked like it. I didn't bring the other one because I'm an idiot. So we'll see when we get to the crib. Hopefully it's the right one, or we will be stuck until tomorrow. But
Hey, trust my eye.
yeah, it looks the same though, right? Yeah,
My eye
like
says this is same size.
same, right? I'm telling you, bro.
This is the same size, trust me.
Yeah. Nah, for real, I believe. Then we got.
This drive crazy.
Hey, man. I was just getting just in case because I didn't want you to come over here and everything be like super complicated. We still had to go get stuff. Like,
I thought it was something way worse.
nah. Yeah, man. So he
You don't have any
also.
Loctite, do you?
Huh?
Any Loctite?
What's that?
So is this liquid that you put on bolts so when it dries up it locks it, like it won't come back out?
No, I don't have any of that. So I know also the guy said, so I got in contact with the guy that sold, you know, the mechanic that put the shit on. And he mentioned something about the spacers here just to make sure they're on. Cause they'll like, it'll rub against the caliper. Okay, yeah, bro. See, that's why I got you, man. You know, all. Hell yeah, appreciate you, man.
Yeah, bro. So I ended up getting the rear toe arms too in that learning process because I didn't know that's what replaces the rear spring bucket.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so I didn't need them until you get the independent spring. Like that's so when
Like
I had
a
the
full
Swift
coil.
spring, I think they
Yeah,
had
the
it was
Swiss
like that.
springs,
Yeah,
correct,
so
it's in one.
just a learning lesson, bro. Yeah, very cool. Yeah, bro. That shit was pretty. Yeah, exactly.
Coil, bro, is like some serious.
Yeah, it's real. It's more stiff. You know what I mean? Like this is like more for daily trials, like daily slash like little occasional track use. Like once I get more.
You can still daily. It's like.
Yeah. I think the next thing I need to do is really change those oils because the diff to me it sounds like a little bit louder than when we got it. Like it just sounds like not. It's still yeah. It probably is just low oil wise, but I just want to change everything too because I know he said he changed the oil, but I think it's the same situation as the clutch. They never topped it off like type shit. Yeah.
Definitely.
So because to me it sounded a little dry. Like every time you turn, I'm like, ugh.
Shit. Another thing you could do is go one size up on the oil.
Make it a little thicker.
Thicker, yeah.
Yeah. We in there though. Boy came through, hooked me up, got me back right. What's that under the wheels over there?
It's I had to put it.
Oh, to stop it. I got you because I didn't even put the handbrake. My bad. Yeah. Oh, it's just to get it up.
Yeah, just
oh,
to get the jack out from under the car.
Damn, that's crazy.
Yeah, let's see if it comes.
Uh-oh. See if we can get this jack from under it. Yeah. Barely moving. She got in there. Damn, I really like the way the front sits. That shit look crazy.
Damn, we did have something.
What's that? Oh, that is what that.
Yeah, see?
Yeah, it came with something, bro. Damn.
It's all good.
Yeah. You have some?
Yeah, no, as in like, you don't really need it.
It's just like
It's just
extra,
for extra safety.
It's kind of like the what's that other the
They're
cotter
tight.
pins. The cotter pins.
Exactly.
Like, yeah.
So just do me a favor, bro. Get in it and go forward a little bit. I gotta take the stuff out from behind the.
Okay, gotcha. Like drive it forward, right?
Just a little bit, yeah.
All right.
Obviously, you gotta drive it a little bit so the suspension.
It starts setting in, yeah.
Yeah.
So-
So we'll see how much adjustment it needs, but it looks pretty.
Damn, yeah. Yeah, it does.
It's on the hill right now, but it still looks pretty.
Yeah. So drive it around first and then get in alignment type stuff after it settles.
Yeah.
I got you.
If you see that it's a little bit off or something, let me know.
I got you. If anything, I'll pull like once I drive it around a little bit, I can pull it up to your shop and stuff too.
Yeah,
so
that,
then,
yeah, that would be
exactly.
easier to
Yeah.
adjust, for
Cause
sure.
I got the tags and everything now. Man, that shit looks beautiful. I appreciate you, bro. After 3 days of struggle, man.
You wanna go down the street real quick?
Yeah, let's do it. We finally got the car back down. So progress was made, and really the next step, I need front control arms. I didn't know that. I bought the rear toe arms because at first I got the Swift springs. So all a part of the learning process, not mad at it, just gotta readjust. But in between all that, I've still been working with trying to stay consistent with content. I upload every day on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, shorts and stuff, you know. But honestly, since I got the sim set up, I've been trying to grind that daily and trying to understand drifting a little bit more before I actually get out to a track for real. That being said, I don't want to yap too much. Yeah, been crazy journey, but it's been fun. I've been enjoying it. Just want to stay consistent with the long form content as well as the short form content. Just been trying to figure everything out, schedule everything, still live a life and stuff too. So, you know, we're gonna get it right.